Was the race start then? Johan Zarco made a dreadful start on that Prima Prama Ducati there. You can just see no fault of Brad Binder at all on the inside, nowhere to go. He just clips Johan Zarco there. But Binder knew nothing about it whatsoever. Down went Zarco, and the domino effect on the outside to Piro and Polispargo collected as well.
Go and the poop.
Alex Marquez just coming
session.
up.
It was one of those classic scenarios, wasn't it, where Bagnaia looked over his left shoulder and saw someone go past him on the right. Alex Marquez clearly remonstrating with Pecco there that he got in his way. I think that's a hand of apology, is it, from Pecco Bagnaia there, saying I simply did not see you. As mentioned, he looked over the wrong shoulder, unfortunately, for Bagnaia.